in the eyes of the Muslim world, the only people protecting Mecca are the only people who have the ability to actually protect the homeland, right? Is the Palestinian people. Everybody else, that's why that's why the holy city is actually split in half between where the Muslims are allowed to live and where the Jews are allowed to live.
Oh,
so
not Mecca.
If Israel is taken over,
Jerusalem?
yeah, correct. Mecca's in Saudi, excuse me.
Yeah, Jerusalem. Okay.
Jerusalem, thank you. But yeah, so if they were to actually leave, if there were to be no Muslim presence in Jerusalem, then the whole Muslim world has lost access to one of their own holy cities.
Yeah, and then you can go down the line of, you can go down the line of Jerusalem being, held to have like the king of Jordan to have, access over the mosque and all these things. I don't know. One thing I'll agree with is it's a big old mess, and I'll never fully understand it. And yeah, that's one of the things I conclude. And you're right. It mixes religions and states, and depending on how convenient it is, you mix them. And Netanyahu was great about that. Netanyahu said, you can't be anti-Zionist without being anti-Semitic. So he loves to mix them because it's a great way to get his point across. And then other people will say, no, they're completely separate pieces. And so, yeah, it's been hard to watch. I was in Israel in 2018 to shoot a documentary with a former guest. And so I was there. And so it's just weird to watch it all happen after being there, and yeah, it's been really sobering.